I'm Catherine. I started KJ Woodworking about 5 years ago. I started it right after my last baby was born. I wanted to have a business that I could be creative in, something that I could watch grow, and something that would also help me become a better mom and benefit my family. That was kind of my motivation behind building KJ Woodworking, and I also wanted to be able to have something that my kids could all be involved in and help them learn some skills. Watch me, build something and I don't know, just build something together, I guess. I think also I really enjoy woodworking because there are so many times where I am doing some activity as a mom and I think, oh, it would be so much easier if I had a drawer here, or if I had this specific table that would fit in this area of my kid's room or something like that. And being able to create those and actually customize it for my family it's kind of what it's all about. The first thing that I consider when I'm trying to find a project to build is that I want it to be something that I'm excited about. I want it to be something that inspires me and that I enjoy doing. The second thing that I kind of think about is this product going to help with the relationship for my customers or my family or for whoever it's intended for. I love building things that are going to focus on those relationships that are really important in life. That's why I like building charcuterie boards, because I know that family and friends are going to be gathered around those and really enjoying them. I really enjoy making games and things like that because I know that little kids are going to be using them and excited and build some fun memories with family members forever. The last thing that I think about a lot of times when I consider what products to make is I want to be able to make something that is going to be quality. It's going to be durable. It's going to be able to be able to be used and be beautiful in the home while it's being used. And I think that that's important. I think that a lot of times it's kind of forgotten a lot by that, we're meant to cherish relationships in this life. And I think that it's kind of gotten a little bit turned around where now we're cherishing items. And I think a lot of that has to do with the quality and the durability. It's not there. And so if you have something that you know is going to last, then you can focus more on the relationships that are there instead of a product that's going to fail if it's overused. Life on purpose is something that I started to say to my little sister. Growing up, I had a really rough childhood, and right now I don't really want to get into a lot of that, but with a lot of trials that you get in childhood, so a lot of times this kind of evolves into a more difficult start when it comes to when you're an adult. You just get a little bit more of a difficult start. And I think that a lot of times, I know myself included, we focus on all of the things that we couldn't control and all of the things that happened to us. And what life on purpose means is just that. It's now you get to live your life on purpose because you no longer have to answer to anybody else. You don't have to be controlled by any other outside forces. You get to choose, and you get to choose to make your life on purpose. Every single day you get to choose how you're going to live your life. And I think that that's what life on purpose means, is that just as a reminder of today you get to choose. I think the one thing that separates KJ Woodworking from any other place that you can get furniture is really the quality. Being able to customize things the way that fits into your home is really a unique benefit also. But more so, I would say that it's the quality. When I think about that, I think about how hard little kids are on furniture, because I have 4 kids and they definitely leave their mark on it. And I think that when you have something that is quality, that's okay. When I made my youngest, I made a toddler bed for him. And when I started to show what I was doing, I had a lot of feedback that said, why would you waste the money on nice woods and things like that on a toddler bed? Especially when, the toddler's going to color on it. He's going to scratch it. All these things. And my first thought was, one, my little boy is worth it. And I want my kids to know that they are worth it. They're worth hard work. They're worth having nice things. And second, when you do make mistakes or you do things that are going to essentially ruin the bed, it can be fixed, because that's what quality is. Quality is something that you can constantly improve on. And how that looks on a toddler bed is, he did color on it. But because it is real wood, I was able to sand it down in a matter of minutes, put a little bit more finish on it, and it looked brand new again. And I think that that's just a life lesson, just to know that quality, whether it's a relationship, whether it's a bed, if it's quality, then it can be worked on and it can be repaired. And that's something that I want to model throughout my entire business. There are several different ways that someone can support me. Obviously, if you purchase anything from me, that is a huge support, and I really appreciate all of those orders that I get there. Other ways, just even following me on social media, Instagram, Facebook, watching my YouTube videos, going to my website, all of those different things are they're small ways, but it makes a big difference on and supporting what I'm doing. And like I said, they don't go unnoticed. I appreciate every single one of them. I appreciate every single comment that somebody is leaving, and I genuinely love hearing other people's points of view. And so if you have an idea, I'd love to hear it. All of those things are great ways to support what I'm doing.